Using affirmations for better sleep and relaxation. We all know the importance of getting enough sleep and how good rest can benefit our mental and physical health. However, in a world where stress and anxiety can sometimes be overwhelming, getting the necessary rest can be a challenge for many. It is for this reason that affirmations can be used as a tool for better sleep and relaxation. Affirmations are positive statements that can help to reduce stress and anxiety, as well as to encourage better sleep. By using affirmations, we can learn to relax and create a calming environment which can aid in getting the restful sleep that we need. In this video, we will discuss the basics of affirmations, how to create and use them, and the benefits of using them for better sleep and relaxation. 1. Identifying the source of restlessness. In order to use affirmations to help with better sleep and relaxation, it is important to first identify the source of restlessness. This could be physical or emotional tension, or pre-bed thoughts that keep your mind active. Being aware of the specific causes helps to formulate a personalized affirmation that will address them. It is important to recognize whether the restlessness is due to physical or emotional discomfort, or something else entirely. Once the source is identified, it is easier to create an effective affirmation that will bring the desired results. 2. Setting a positive environment. Setting a positive environment is an essential part of creating an atmosphere where affirmations can be effective. This includes things like creating a comfortable environment that is free from distractions, such as cell phones, television, and pets. Take the time to listen to calming music, light some candles, or spray some essential oils to help create a relaxing atmosphere. It's also important to speak positively to yourself and avoid negative self-talk. Finally, make sure that you have a good sleeping mattress and a comfortable pillow to make sure that your physical environment is optimal for a restful night's sleep. 3. Utilizing body relaxation techniques. In addition to utilizing affirmations for better sleep and relaxation, another technique you can use to achieve a more peaceful state of mind is to practice body relaxation. Taking some time to relax your body and focus on the sensations that accompany each body part as it gradually releases tension can help to create a sense of calmness and ease. You can start by tightening the muscles in your feet and then slowly working up the body, tensing and then releasing the tension in your calves, thighs, hip, stomach, chest, arms, hands, neck and head. Once you have done this, take a few moments to breathe deeply and focus on the feeling of relaxation. You may find this to be a soothing way to help your body and mind to relax. 4. Utilizing breathwork to reduce stress. Breathwork is an effective way to reduce and manage stress. This type of exercise involves focusing on breathing patterns to achieve a relaxed state of mind. To practice breathwork, focus on your breathing and take deep, slow breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to be present in the moment. You can do this anywhere, even while sitting at your desk or in bed. By engaging in breathwork regularly, you can reduce stress and anxiety and improve your overall well-being. 5. Using positive affirmations to relax the body and mind. Using positive affirmations to relax the body and mind is an effective way of calming down and getting ready for sleep. Positive affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself in order to create a positive outlook and increase self-confidence. By focusing on affirmations such as, "I am capable, and I can do this," you can clear away any negative thoughts and feelings that may be preventing you from getting a good, restful night's sleep. Visualizing yourself in a relaxed state and repeating these affirmations can help you drift off to sleep more easily. 6. Incorporating self-care and relaxation into a daily routine. Incorporating self-care and relaxation into a daily routine is a great way to ensure you get enough restful sleep. Making it a habit to take time to rest, practice mindfulness, and do activities that bring you joy can help to keep your mind and body in a state of balance and inner calm. Additionally, affirmations can help to reinforce positive thoughts, reduce stress, and help you to stay focused and motivated on achieving your goals. Taking the time to develop a regular self-care routine, including affirmations, can help to improve your overall well-being and enable you to get the restful sleep you need. 7. Incorporating meditation and visualization techniques. Incorporating meditation and visualization techniques into your daily routine can be beneficial to improving your sleep and relaxation. Meditation can help to slow your breathing and quiet your mind, while visualization techniques can allow you to create mental images of positive and calming scenarios. Both of these techniques can be combined to create a sense of calm and relaxation. Visualizations can also help you to stay focused and motivated when faced with tough tasks or goals. With regular practice, meditation and visualization can become a powerful tool for achieving deep relaxation and better sleep. 8. Re-evaluating thoughts and emotions associated with sleep and relaxation. The 8th step in using affirmations for better sleep and relaxation is to re-evaluate the thoughts and emotions associated with it. It is important to take the time to recognize and assess our thoughts and feelings about sleep, and use the power of positive affirmations to replace negative beliefs with positive ones. We can do this by writing down the beliefs, thoughts, and emotions we associate with sleep, and then writing affirmations that affirm the better, more positive aspects of sleep. Doing this regularly can help us to establish a healthier mindset around sleep and relaxation, allowing us to better manage our stress levels and find deeper rest and relaxation. In conclusion, using affirmations for better sleep and relaxation is a simple, yet effective tool for calming your mind and body. They can help you to let go of worries and stress, and create a sense of peace and inner harmony. Allowing yourself to be present with the moment, and to simply relax can be incredibly beneficial for your mental, emotional, and physical health. Affirmations are just one of the many tools you can use to create a peaceful, restful sleep environment. See you again in the following day's session, Affirmations for Overcoming Negative Thoughts and Emotions. Stay positive and believe in yourself.